Benefits to garage owners run the gamut from more spaces for the size of the garage generated, which translates to more revenue, or smaller garages built for the same capacity. You will have an audience that is happier with their experience. They're more likely to come to your asset. You will have less risk of accident, insurance claims. It's easier to maintain the cleanliness of the garage, the efficiency of the traffic flow. I would tell you also, if people aren't going up and down the garage floors, but the cars are doing it, you also don't have to maintain waste receptacles and do cleaning in the same way. So there are a lot of benefits to the asset owners. If you're going to use this technology to retrofit an existing property, you're going to generate more spaces in the same footprint that existed previously. You're also going to have a better, smoother, more accessible parking experience, which makes your asset more attractive to people looking for a place to park.